Hey bestie, welcome back to Natural Bestie Health, your trusted spot for simple, science-backed natural remedies that make you feel amazing. Today, we're talking about one of the most overlooked minerals, magnesium. Did you know that up to 50% of people in the US might not be getting enough magnesium? It's involved in over 300 reactions in your body, from energy production and muscle function to sleep, mood, and heart health. When levels drop, your body sends clear warning signs. Ignoring them can lead to bigger issues over time, but the great news is you can fix it naturally with food, lifestyle tweaks, and gentle absorption methods. These signs are backed by reliable sources like the NIH, Mayo Clinic, and studies in journals like Nutrients. Remember, this isn't medical advice. If you're experiencing several signs, get your levels checked with a blood test or talk to your doctor. Let's dive into the 10 most common signs your body is crying out for more magnesium. Sign number 1, muscle cramps and spasms. This is one of the classics. Magnesium helps muscles relax after contracting. Low levels mean calcium floods in unchecked, causing painful cramps, especially in legs at night. Those dreaded Charlie horses. Studies show athletes and pregnant women often cramp more due to magnesium loss through sweat or demands. Sign number 2, chronic fatigue and low energy. Feeling wiped out even after a full night's sleep? Magnesium is key for ATP production, your cell's energy currency. Without enough, you feel constantly drained. Research links low magnesium to fatigue in conditions like fibromyalgia. Sign number 3, anxiety, irritability, or mood swings. Magnesium calms the nervous system by regulating neurotransmitters like GABA. Deficiency can ramp up stress hormones, leading to feeling on edge or overwhelmed. Clinical trials show supplementing reduces anxiety symptoms. Sign number 4, trouble sleeping or insomnia. Magnesium helps produce melatonin and relaxes muscle strain. Low levels mean racing thoughts, restlessness, or waking up often. Many studies find better sleep quality with increased intake. Sign number 5, headaches or migraines. Magnesium relaxes blood vessels and blocks pain signals. Deficiency is common in migraine sufferers. One review found supplementation cuts frequency by up to 42%. Sign number 6, heart palpitations or irregular heartbeat. Magnesium keeps your heart rhythm steady. Low levels can cause fluttering or skipped beats. It's so important that hospitals use IV magnesium for certain arrhythmias. Sign number 7, high blood pressure. Magnesium acts like a natural calcium blocker, relaxing arteries. Meta-analyses show higher intake lowers systolic pressure by 3-4 points on average. Sign number 8, constipation or digestive issues. Magnesium draws water into intestines for smoother movements. Deficiency often leads to sluggish digestion. Many over-the-counter laxatives are magnesium-based. Sign number 9, numbness, tingling, or nerve issues, especially in hands, feet. Low magnesium disrupts nerve signals. This can feel like pins and needles. Sign number 10, loss of appetite or nausea. Early deficiency affects digestion and serotonin, reducing hunger or causing queasiness. If several resonate, you're not alone. Modern diets low in whole foods, plus stress, coffee, and processed items deplete magnesium fast. Soil depletion means even veggies have less than decades ago. Now, the exciting part, how to fix it naturally. First and best, eat magnesium-rich foods. Aim for 320-420 mg daily. Top sources, dark leafy greens like spinach 157 mg per cooked cup, pumpkin seeds 535 mg per ounce, almonds 80 mg per ounce, dark chocolate 70% 64 mg per ounce, avocados, bananas, black beans, salmon, and whole grains like quinoa. Make a magnesium smoothie, spinach, banana, almond butter, cocoa powder, and plant milk. Delicious and packed. Second, reduce depleters. Cut excess caffeine, alcohol, sugar, and stress. They flush magnesium out. Third, absorb through skin. Epsom salt baths, 2 cups in warm water, soak 20 minutes 3x week. Magnesium sulfate absorbs transdermally for relaxation and cramps relief. Or use topical magnesium oil lotion sprayed on skin. Fourth, prioritize sleep and stress management. Meditation, yoga, or deep breathing lower cortisol, preserving magnesium. Fifth, consider gentle supplements if needed, like glycinate, best absorbed, non-laxative, or citrate. Start low, 200 and 400 milligrams, with food. Consistency is key. Levels build over weeks. Track signs and notice improvements in energy, sleep, mood. There you have it, bestie. 10 signs of deficiency and natural fixes. Which sign hit home? Comment below. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for daily tips. Take care, you've got this.